Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I thought I would share with you the brand new August Citrus with Kids mini kit. It's called Sunshine and it is gorgeous, full of summer icons and phrases and beautiful colors. So let me quickly show you what's in it. So first of all, I'm going to share a new color of 6x8 album that I received. It is called Peacock. It is a beautiful dark teal color. I really love it. So as you know, probably it already has a set of page protectors too. It is a 6-ring album and there are some different types of page protectors for either full pages or different pockets. So these are two 4x6s, and then there are some 3x4 plus 4x6, etc. So 4 3x4s. Really a good set of page protectors to start with. And then let me go through the mini kit. So what we have here is a beautiful yellow puffy alphabet. These letters are really like a very nice size, very small and thin. I really like this font. Then we have a set of heart puffy stickers in all these beautiful colors. And I love these tiny dotted ones. Really beautiful. Then next puffy stickers. There are some beautiful icons such as ice cream, some sea creatures, some bigger puffy stickers, florals, and then a nice set of phrases. Then these beautiful chipboard stickers. They're designed by Geraldine Tsai. I love all of them, so beautiful. Then you get a set of four tags, little tags in a glassine bag. Ephemera pack, which is designed by Caitlin Schiffer. So here you can see all the die cuts that are in it. Maybe I can very quickly show you some of them. So there is a star. Then I love this Bring on the Sunshine. There are some vintagey looking die cuts. Let me put in here a drink, take it easy, a parrot, flip-flops, another star, something like a washi tape. There's some pretty clouds here, another one, Nothing Can Steal My Sunshine, Dream a Little Dream, another washi, Lazy Days in pink, and sunglasses, Coke bottle, some florals, orange, another floral, a ticket, lake day. This is going to be perfect for my documenting because we spent a lot of time on the lake recently. Another beautiful floral and another orange. Good loves. Here comes the sun. Another ice cream, and here for this. So these are the die cuts. Okay, and now what I've got left here are the digitals. So I have printed most of them. So these are the TN, the Traveler's Notebook size papers. I have printed some of them more than once, and Some of them I printed in a bigger size so that they're good for my 6x8 album too. So this is my favorite. I really love the colors here. Then this beautiful diagonal stripe paper. This is something like a dictionary page. A yellow one, then this is pinkish pattern. These colorful dots, I love it. Then a black and white floral. These are some phrases here. Oranges on a blue background, and then black and white dots. And here I got 3. So this black and white dotted and these colorful dots, and then this blue and white grid. So these are the papers that I printed. And then I can show you the pocket life cards and the digital elements that you can buy and print. Okay, let me get it from the package. I'm sorry for the noise. Come on. Okay, so these are from one of the pocket life card. I just fussy cut them out. Okay, let me go maybe first through the cards. So there's this black and white dotted project life card or pocket life card with a piece of something like a washi. Nothing can break this mood. These beautiful clouds, love this so much. Current happenings. These diagonal stripes. You are my sunshine. I really love this one with all the colors and phrases. Black and white florals. Happy to be here. Good times and 10 lines. And the 4x6s, having so much fun. And these are some dotted stripes here. I believe there is also a bookmark available, but I didn't print it. So these are the cards. And then there are these digital elements for printing and cutting. Always and forever, a label. There is quite a lot of labels in there. A navy blue one. Some of the elements I haven't cut like the details yet, but I will do that later. So there's a ticket, keeping it real, dreamy, detours happen, doing what we love, flowers everywhere. There's a little heart, a journaling spot, and another one. I love this one, like a clipboard. Then some more labels in various colors. Write this down. Ice cream is always a good idea. I absolutely agree. Happy place. Day trip. Road trip. Summer essentials. Beautiful day. The sweetest thing. You and me. Fun in the sun. A parrot. Explore new places. Summer vibes. Always a good idea. And here are some fussy cut items that I fussy cut from the journaling, from the cards. Okay, so this is the mini kit. I hope you like it as much as I do. Leave me a comment if you're a fan, or if you're not, you can leave a comment too. I will be happy. And yeah, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.